everybody, welcome to our channel. We're going to be playing with slime today.
And I am going to teach you how to do tricks and how to get it off your hands and how to make it unsticky.
Yeah, and I'm going to do stuff like that. It's going to be really cool. You can make really weird noises. Comment down below.
I am going to actually, at the end, we're going to say something cute. Okay, subscribers. And I'm going to show you how to make a pizza with.
Comment down below if you see a slime bubble.
Yep.
Because they're all over the place in the slime.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Here, guys, this is how you make a slime pizza. You take piece, 1 pepperoni, 2 pepperoni, 3 pepperoni, and go like this. So you do that, and
I saw a slime bubble.
and then just knead it down like that and go like that. And then keep smoothing it until you get that. Okay, here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. And let's put the ingredient in before we put it in the microwave. Let's put it in the microwave.
And sometimes whenever I do this, you can hear farts when it's going up and down.
And see, there is our slices of pizza. Oh, let's take the add ingredient out. So there's a big hole.
So how you do this, you just have to get your hand really in the slime and lift your hand up. And it'd be really cool.
This
There'd
is
be
how
all
you make
kinds
your
of holes in it.
handprints. So you just, I just made a slime bubble.
So did I.
Slime bubble.
Sometimes it's really hard to get the slime off your hand.
But it's not for me.
Yeah, not for you.
Because I easily just go like that.
True, but I can't do that. And what you do is just let it go down. If all of it comes up, just let it fall down. It's really cool. And you can do whatever you want with this slime. It's really fun.
Yeah, even you get 3 sets. Make pizza.
But we just mixed it all because on the container it said like galaxy slime. We tried to do that, but it didn't work. I think we used a little too much purple.
Yeah, to make it on Galaxy. Oh yeah, and here how you make another pizza. You just put that on top, take all of that, and go like that instead of throwing it up in the air if you have a Galaxy lid. Okay, subscribers.
And once you get this, just push it down. They get all the excess off the slime.
And then you go
Potato.
like this, and then you go like that.
Get it away.
And then you do
And
this.
then lift it up. There should be all kinds of like stuff.
And
It's
then
gonna look
you just
really cool.
lift carefully. Lift.
And sometimes when you smack the slime, it sounds like a drum.
Yep, sometimes like me. Oh yeah, and if you want, you can take all of the excess and easily spread it away.
It's really hard to like
To
get
go
the
like
excess
that.
off of the
And then you go
container.
like that.
But if you're really good at it, then I bet you could do it.
Yeah, and if you're really good at this,
And if you want, you could go to the store and try to find this slime and do what we're doing with it. It's really cool to play with this slime.
yeah, there's 3 excesses.
What is that dog doing?
We're just taking stuff. Sometimes it gets on your clothes, but
Give me my slime.
Give me my slime.
Give it. Sometimes we usually steal slime, which we're not sisters. But
Yeah, but we always pretend like we are.
yeah, because, well, we're not really sisters.
You just said that.
I know. We're not really the same earring comparison because we don't have the same earrings in. But next, next month, whenever I go to my favorite place, LA, which I've never been there, that's when I'll get my new giraffe earrings in, and then I'll get every kind of.
And when you get slime, you could try to like get it all over your hands.
Yeah, I'm not trying
to put your hands together, spread it out. It would be really cool.
So yeah, and if you want, you can go.
If you want, you can make it a big line and wrap it around your hand.
This is one of my
and
tricks.
pretend like you don't have it in. It's fun.
Or you can go.
It's hard to get off, but oh well.
You guys about done with your video?
No.
Now, if you want, you can literally access this. Take it off and go like this. You can easily spread your hands and
She's really weird.
slimes apart and go like jumps.
It's hard to get off your hand.
It's really hard, but for me, it's not.
Ow. If you try to do this, just make sure you don't hit the hard stuff. Because it hurts if you're on a hard table. It will not come off. Literally.
This slime, if you find galaxy slime, mix it all together and don't use too much purple, use too much pink, and use too much of everything.
Do you guys know why it turned purple?
No.
What colors make purple?
Blue and pink.
Red. No, red and pink.
Well,
Red.
pink and blue and purple all mixed together would make purple.
Yeah, but it says on the container. That's what it should look like.
No, that's what it looks like before you mix it all together.
Yeah, right. Why does it look like a turd? Does that look like a turd to you?
It's not mixed up in that
it
picture.
looks like a turd.
You're a goofball.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I'm still.
All right, we done with the video?
No.
My phone is gonna run out of memory.
No,
So why don't you guys do your closing?
Well, I have one more thing to show.
Okay, go ahead.
This is how you need the hands. So you just easily.
And try not to hurt yourself when you get them off. Because I've hurt myself over here. It hurts when you try to get it off.
And this is how you get it up. If you want, you can go like that and steal. If you have a sister, then steal it.
We're not sisters.
I know.
Give me all your slime.
No.
No. I don't have a lot of slime. I have a lot. Oops.
All right, guys, I'm gonna be turning it off. Say what you gotta say.
Bye, everybody.
And if you see a pumpkin, shout out pumpkin. Hey, and if you have a mom or dad, let's go, buy me slime, buy me slime. And then if they do, let's go, whee, and splatter it all over the house and be bad.
I don't think splattering it over the house is a good idea.
Comment down below if you saw the bubble.
Yeah, even call me.
Now let's see, is there any bubbles?
Hey, hey, hey.
Do you have any bubbles in there?
My number is 412-334-1515, okay? If you want to call me. Subscribers. And make a mess
All right.
all over your house.
All right,
Bye.
girls. Say bye.
Bye, everybody.